Tell me if you can relate to this. You're in a Teams meeting sharing an Excel report with your team or manager. You're being asked to filter the data or go into one of the other tabs. Perhaps you're an attendee and you want to explore the data for yourself without having to wait for the presenter. Well, there's a new feature called Excel Live, which is going to revolutionize Microsoft Teams meetings. With Excel Live as an attendee, you can click the other Excel tabs to view the information. You can run your own filters without affecting the presentation by clicking these options. Here in this temporary view, I can filter the department column by finance, and it won't affect the presentation. You can also perform your own calculations, although these will be visible to everyone who has access to this report. When you're ready, you can sync back with the presenter by clicking here. When the presenter clicks Employee Details, you can see it's no longer filtered by finance, but it does have the pay rise calculation I entered. Excel Live has been rolling out since October, so you might not have it just yet. But when you do, it will be in the share tray after PowerPoint Live. Just select your file from one of these options, click here to share, and you're good to go. Let me know what you think of Excel Live. If you have a PowerPoint presentation coming up, you really need to watch this video to learn the amazing tips to create engaging slides.